Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Merchant Center for SEO-friendly product listings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Merchant Center for SEO-friendly product listings, start by creating a Google account if you don't have one already. Visit the Google Merchant Center website. Click on Get Started to begin the account setup process. Fill in your business information, including your country and time zone. Next, agree to the Merchant Center's terms and conditions. Once your account is created, you'll be directed to your Merchant Center dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Products section on the left menu. Click on All Products and then select the option to add a new product. Input the necessary product details, including title, description, and price. Make sure your product title includes relevant keywords for better visibility. Craft a clear and concise product description using SEO best practices. Add high-quality images to your product listings, as visuals play a crucial role in SEO. Use descriptive file names for your images rather than default names. Ensure that your product is categorized accurately by selecting the most relevant category. Next, set up your shipping and tax information in the appropriate sections. This information is essential for the accurate processing of product listings. After inputting all the product details, review your information for accuracy. Before finalizing, ensure that your website is linked to your Merchant Center account. To do this, you'll need to add your website URL in the Business Information section. Google will provide verification instructions to confirm ownership of the website. Follow these instructions carefully, as verification is crucial for listing products. Once your website is verified, submit your product listings for review. After submission, the review process will take some time. You will be notified when your products are approved and live on Google. Monitor your product performance using the insights available in the Merchant Center. Optimize your listings based on the data you collect over time. Implementing these steps will significantly improve your product visibility on Google. With patience and attention to detail, you'll set up an effective Google Merchant Center for your SEO-friendly product listings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.